Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Universitas Terbuka students, this is the third session of our 8 online tutorial sessions. In this session, we have 2 learning objectives to achieve. The first one is that you should be able to identify the characteristics of informal email and write one correctly. The second objective is that you should be able to identify the characteristics of business memos and compose one appropriately. Please make sure that you read the main material provided in Ruang Baca Virtual, review the initiation and enrichment links, and then actively participate in discussion forum. Kindly reminded that this is session 3, in which you are also required to complete your assignment 1. I do hope you will take part in this session with enthusiasm and commitment. Happy learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.